How to change profile picture on Viber. Today I'll be showing you how you can simply change your profile picture on Viber according to your liking. So let's get started. First thing first, tap open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, tap onto this more icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a big camera icon. Tap on it. Again from there, tap onto the camera icon. A pull-up menu will appear on your screen. Tap onto the gallery option. Now it will take you to your gallery, from where you can choose your photos. Now select a picture according to your liking. From here you can resize and adjust your pictures. Once you are happy with your adjustment, tap on save. And that's it. You have successfully changed your profile picture on Viber. Isn't it simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.